Hi guys, today I'll show you how to create this code-free snow text effect in Photoshop. First, type your text. Right, click the layer, then select pixels. Click Add Layer Mask. Now select the mask layer and go to Filter Pixelate Crystallize. And set the cell size to around 10. Press OK. Next, select both layer and hold Shift. Right-click, open the setting, and select Merge Layer and merge them. Now go to Image Rotation, 90 degrees clockwise. Then go to Filter Stylize Wind and apply the wind effect. Repeat this step 3 times. Filter Wind. OK. Filter Wind OK, and one more time. Once the wind effect is done, go back to Image Rotation, 90 degrees counterclockwise, to straighten your text again. Now go again to Filter Pixelate Crystallize. Set the cell size to around 5. This gives a snowy, icy texture. Next, open the Channels panel. Select the Load selection. Go back to the Layers panel, open Blending options, and choose Inner Glow. Change the glow color to a cold blue tone. Set opacity to 100%. Change the blend mode to dissolve. Set choke around 15 and size around 9. Choose a straight contour and press OK. Finally, press Ctrl D, and your winter cold text effect with a snow texture is complete.